Do you brush your teeth every day? Of course you do, because it's gross if you don't. But why do you brush your teeth? To prevent cavities, to prevent heart disease, to prevent bad breath, or plain and simple, to prevent the cumulative buildup of small stuff every day in your mouth that turns into bigger problems like cavity, gingivitis, all that good stuff. So I recently asked this question to a patient of mine, and he kind of groaned and smiled because he knew exactly where I was going with this, and he knew that I got him. So he had recently confessed that he only really comes in to get treatment when he completely falls apart, and he didn't really do his stretches and exercises that we recommend in between those visits. So what he realized is he was taking better care of his teeth than the complete rest of his body. So why would we expect our bodies to work perfectly without ever having to maintain it when we maintain everything else in our life? There's a reason that we brush our teeth on a regular basis and still go to the dentist. There's a reason we go to the GP or your medical doctor for regular checkups. There's a reason that we go get the oil changed in our car before our engine blows up. These are small maintenance things that prevent the cumulative buildup of bigger problems. So this regular maintenance of the body can come in many different forms every single day. It could be regular stretching for a couple minutes a day. It could be the use of a lacrosse ball to roll out the muscles where it's tight. We can use a foam roller to get really the big muscles. Yes, I have these things in my bathroom. Why do you ask? The point is, it comes in many different forms, and 2 to 3 minutes of daily maintenance every single day on the muscles and joints is going to keep your body moving better and functioning better so it doesn't completely fall apart, or like I like to say, your engine doesn't completely blow up on you and you come into us with a very big problem. So if you're somebody who brushes their teeth on a regular basis, you're also somebody who should be stretching and foam rolling on a regular basis. Now, if you need help to know exactly what to do in those 2 to 3 minutes every single day to streamline the process, then check in with one of our experts, whether it's a physio, massage, or chiropractor, to keep you moving perfectly. Now, we know that people who come see us regularly are way more likely to do their stretches and exercises on a regular basis. So if you want to be that person who takes good care of your body, then come see us, ask what you need to do, and we will definitely help you out. But don't forget to brush your teeth and don't let your engine blow up. Have a good weekend.